welding booth, and I got my brother here with me today. He's from Pine Bluff, and I want to talk to him about how was his first day, because normally people do their first day of welding. Normally it'll make you or break you. You're even gonna say, hey, I'm ready, or I don't know if this for me. So let's talk to this brother, man. In my personal opinion, he did real well, but I want to talk to him about how do you feel as far as how you feel as far as how you did today, and as far as my teaching, do you think it helped you, to do better?
Yeah, the prep work, as far as watching the videos and you explaining, pausing and explaining what's going on the videos, helped out a whole lot in the beginning. It gave me something to look for when I actually got hands on.
Mm-hmm.
And the fact that you showed me first, I actually got to put my hood on and just watch you do it, then step in and you coach me all the way through. It helped out a whole lot, because there was things I was seeing I didn't know what I was looking at, and you was just explaining it as I was going along. So
it kind of really helped you.
Yeah,
so after I'm gonna say after about an hour, you was kind of feeling a lot more comfortable. I was telling them the way you was sitting, you was like, oh, you almost look like you've been doing it for a while.
A little bit, I feel
like you've been doing it for a while, man. So do you feel that my teaching style really helps, as far as those? Because I know we got many people from Pine Bluff and Little Rock and surrounding areas that are going to be coming to this program. Mm-hmm. With you, in your personal opinion, refer someone and say, hey, man, they got a good program and a great instructor. I really think you can get something out of the program.
I agree wholeheartedly. You engage, and you encourage, and you act like you really care.
Yeah.
And that's the bottom line. If they act like they don't care, then that may not be the class for you.
What he said, family. So just want to say, for those who are not aware, come check out the Goodwill Industries on Scott Hamilton Drive and sign up for the welding class. A 16-week course. You learn stick welding and flux core welding in 4 positions, family. And we also help you get your OSHA 10. We help you get all your PPE, your boots, your hard hat, your welding hood and your coat, everything you need to get started, so that way once you finish this program, you can actually leave and go get a job. And they also help you build your resume for job placement. So I think it's a win-win. What you think?
Win-win, bro. All you have to do is show up.
Show up and show out, fam.